Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Noise Shots Neo 2 True Wireless Earphones. Let's quickly take a look at what extra information we can find on this box before moving on. Not much here either. It's written design in India, which is a great thing. So this over here we see some information like this particular earphone has full touch controls, 20-hour total playtime, which is pretty good, Hyper Sync, and the gaming mode. That's about it. No extra information whatsoever. Let's quickly open this up and see what's inside. Here we are. This is a welcome page, or rather a thank you note from Noise with a picture of Rohit Sharma on it. And here is where you register your warranty, which is great. I think this is the QR code that you scan to download an app or go to the website basically. This is what the carrying case, the charging case looks like. Let's just bring it out like this, and here we are. Let's put this over here for a while and see what other stuff is here. This is an alcohol swab. This is for when you want to wipe the charging case and the earphones clean. So you keep this one here. This, I'm assuming, the Shots Neo 2 user manual. Please refer to this manual before using the product. Yes, this is the user manual. This has all the information that you need to set up your earphones. And this is a very small instruction manual. I'm assuming a quick setup guide for the earphones, getting started with your Shots Neo 2. This is basically a quick installation guide on what you need to do very fast, or I'm assuming when you're in a hurry. So let's keep this over here and let's take a look at the earphones themselves. They're very snugly fit, so let's open it properly. There's a tab over here, you can pull that, and this is the charging case. Let's see what else we have here first before we move on. This is a micro USB charging cable, micro USB on one side and USB-A on the other. Pretty standard. Let's keep them here. These are some extra silicone tips for your earphones. This is what they look like. Let's keep them right over here. Rather, let's keep them here. Yeah, you have, okay, by the way, just I want to mention, you have 4 extra silicone tips, as you can see, and 4 extra wings as well. So you can 4 extra wings as well. Sorry, the focus is right over here. Yeah, the 4 extra wings as well. So you can mix and match according to your specifications. And this is what the charging case looks like. It's very small. It's quite compact actually. Let's remove this particular plastic wrap. Let's see how to do that, and we start here. Here we are. This is what the charging case looks like. It's very compact. It has a nice matte finish. This is the LED indicator, and this right here is your micro USB charging port. You open it and there you go. These are your Noise Shots Neo 2 earphones, true wireless earphones. Take them out from there and you can see right here what they look like. They have angle nozzles in your design, and angle nozzles, and these are the tips that you can change as well. Right now there are a couple of lights blinking, which means that this particular device is in a pairing, has entered pairing mode. I'll show you how to pair this with a phone in another video. And that's it. This is what you get inside the box that has the Noise Shots Neo 2 True Wireless Earphones. Thank you for watching.